Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making oven-fried pork chops. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. You will need 4 bone-in pork chops, 1 cup of herb-seasoned stuffing mix, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and cooking spray. In a shallow dish, add the eggs, milk, salt, and pepper, and whisk together until well combined. In another shallow dish, add the crushed stuffing mix, then spray your rack with the cooking oil. Coat your pork chops with the egg wash, then the stuffing mix, then place on your cooking rack. Transfer to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 25 minutes or until your chops have an internal temperature of 150 degrees. These oven-baked pork chops makes for an easy dinner. I really hope you give them a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to